great pink flamingos here. That's Marianne. I'm filming her and she's taking a picture of me. Cool, huh? What a background, huh? This is beautiful. Look at this. It's like the Swiss Family Robinson. There's the monkey. There's all kinds, huh? 1, 2, 3, small ones, big ones. We're walking on an ecological path, so we just saw a monkey. Yeah, and it wasn't me. It was a real monkey. Great birds. Oh, here's the parrots again. These ones are in a cage. They're in training. Hi. Hi. Ooh. Look at her head dancing the song. Hi. Hello. Look how cute he is. It's Easter. It's an Easter bunny. Hey. Don't go. Don't go. Hello. What are you looking for? There were some kids and the parrots started running after them. That blue parrot? Yeah. It started biting on the people's toes. Girls, that's not a real one. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. You winked at me. Did you wink at me? Yes. Nice. You're beautiful. Great colors. You're great colors. Hello. Hello. No, don't eat that. Don't eat that. That's not smoking area. He likes you. He's gonna follow you home. This is a paradise for these birds and monkeys and other species. Beautiful place. So it's after 2 o'clock. We have to go back to the ship now. It leaves at 3, so we better get there soon. We'll be fine. We both got a camera, so we can take great shots of the boat leaving. See that door?
See this door? That's not our scooter. That's not our scooter. This door. Green light.
You got the green light. Oh, good for you. It was a good day. Right here?
Great day.
Hey, we're leaving. Yeah, that's the sunset.